Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about replacing the dash vent tabs in a BMW E90 or E92 or E91. When I bought this car, the vent tabs were all broken off except for this one right here. I don't know how people break these, but this is actually a really common issue. So I thought, the car didn't look as good and you can't direct the air, so I'm going to be replacing those vent tabs. I guess probably people just kick them off and they don't realize that they broke them and don't realize how easy it is to replace them. So I'm going to go over the tools that you'll need for this. So not really that many. So I have these vent tabs from venttabs.com. These are like $10 a piece, and they look pretty OEM. Actually, I couldn't even find OEM vent tabs. I looked on eBay and I looked on FCP Euro and stuff like that, and I could really only find these aftermarket tabs on Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver just to get in there and move the vents around. So the first step is we're going to get the vents straight and put them. All right, so let's start this. So we're gonna see this one here. So this one's straight, or well, straight-ish. Makes it easier when it's straight. All right, and just like this guy over here, we're gonna put it on not the very bottom, but the next one up. All right, so it looks the same. So this guy here, and we're gonna align it on the middle there. The middle there. Okay, so it goes on right there, and our vent tab's on. All right, so I can tell you right away that this does not move as well as the stock vent tab. As you can see, this one is. However, that could just be because it's new. Who knows if the other one's even stock, So, it has a pretty good range of motion. About the same as that one. I want to say that this one moves a little bit more side to side than that. But again, that's also the middle vent versus the other one. And these vents don't close all the way. You have to, close them with this to close them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick, easy video. Go to venttabs.com, link in the description below. And yeah, replace your tabs so that your car looks normal.